Hi guys,
Hi everyone, welcome to Nico channel.
this is Joe.
I'm Leo.
Last time we barbecued some ham, so we gotta still have almost half left. And today we are going to cook ham fajita wrap. And
Let's do it.
Just use onion to cover the chicken. Over 300, and our goal is 350, so that we can put the fajita inside for 15 minutes. It will be ready. It's almost ready. Let's put the fajita in. We already have the ham, so we don't need to add any salt, and we just add some grape oil inside.
Oh, boiling.
I'm so hungry. Let's add the fajita. It takes about 30 minutes under the temperature 350. Now it seems ready, and we wanna make it cool down first. Already cool down, we can cut and enjoy now.
Oh, juicy.
Crispy outside, juicy inside. Ooh.
Nice ham.
Very juicy, and the outside is very crispy. It tastes much better than pizza. You should try it. Thank you. If you like our food, please subscribe our channel.
And the thumbs up, please.
Please also click the like and the bell. Thank
Thank
you.
you.